It was started about 5 years ago with Voices for Food grant project, and we did planning, and there was an old house here and there were trees here that we had to tear down, and we started this garden. We started by planting perennials, raspberries, asparagus. I had a couple of currant bushes so that they take time to start producing, and so then that way now we're harvesting without having to plant. Well, I kind of have a passion for fruits. I'm kind of a nut about that. So the strawberry patch got out of control. It's going to have to get reined in this summer. But we've got raspberries, red and black, on opposite ends. We've got asparagus that we've harvested lovely early this spring. And I guess that's one of the fun things about gardening. Plant something that you haven't planted before. So we've got 3 kinds of peas. We've got shelling peas that we just finished. We pulled those all out and we planted purple bush beans in there. We're harvesting today on snap peas and snow peas. Well, we have a great crew of people that come and help anybody that's interested in gardening. Some years we've had church groups come for a day or a half a day. Sometimes we have other gardening neighbors that just like to come. The way we operate this is we call it a cooperative learning garden. So if you work in the garden, you get some of the produce, and then we take others to share with people at the pantry.
I usually help with the weeds, picking stuff, and all that. Once the currants grow, I'll probably my grandma will probably pick that and then bring it to inside, and we'll make like currant jam, currant juice, and that.
Well, I usually help plant seeds and water the plants that we already planted, and like if that already have the dirt around them, but you actually just plant them, that I usually water those after we plant them too.
Well, there's quite a lot of people in our community, surprisingly, you might not realize it, but that are not knowing for sure what they're going to eat at the next meal, or maybe not knowing about trying a new food, trying a new vegetable. And that's the best place to try a new vegetable. It's fresh from the garden. It's at its very tastiest and most nutritious right there. And it's interesting, if a kid's worked in the garden, they're much more apt to try something and like it than not, whether it's beets or peas or whatever.